in this video right now, we're going to cover how to make systems, not goals. And what that's going to enable you to do is finally get habits that stick. That's what it's all about. I'm about habits, quick fixes, a little bit of motivation, a little bit of, ooh, I feel good now. No, we have to change your day-to-day state and your habits. We're going to break down how to do this. The fastest way that you can make big things happen in your life, change, weight, off of medication, moving away from that person, getting a career advancement, whatever it is consistently doing the small things, the right things, over and over and over. Small things lead to big payoffs. I call it the 1% principle. Small daily wins. 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. All you got to do today is get 1% better. Do it consistently. When you do things consistently, and you do consistently what other people do occasionally, that's where you're going to get the big breakthrough. You want that one again? Do consistently what other people do occasionally.
Love that.
People occasionally eat well. People occasionally diet. People occasionally exercise. People occasionally fast. People occasionally go to sleep early. People occasionally read books to get more educated. People occasionally push themselves to do hard things. Do consistently what other people do occasionally and watch yourself grow. Those habits, they start getting sticky. You see, a small habit is much easier to put into motion. Mm-hmm. We always look at the thing, it's like, my gosh, how am I going to get this 50 pounds off? How am I going to get out of this debt? How am I going to find someone that's actually going to love me? The motion that is created with that small little victory, that 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%, that's what actually creates the big habit. Newton's law. Pull out the old Dr. Physics. Hated physics, by the way. Oh, worst grade I think I ever got. In undergrad, for sure.
It's probably what made me change majors or something.
Yeah, it'll weed them out real quick there. But an object, right, that is at rest tends to stay...
At rest.
Yeah, good job. You nailed it. And an object in motion tends to...
Stay in motion.
So when you create momentum, when you create these habits, these little victories, you just start this process in your life, this momentum in your life, and it builds and builds and builds. That's when you get the big payoff. If you stay at rest, you'll stay there. Nothing's going to put you into motion. You got to put yourself into motion, but it's a lot simpler than you think. You just need to take little steps forward. 1%, 1%, 1%. So how do we do this? How can you set yourself up for success to make those habits real sticky in your life? You're not defaulting on them. I like this, Dr. Living Good. I want to do 1%. I can get 1% better. I like this concept. How do I make this tangible in my life? You want to make a change? Put it in front of you. First off, what we always love is if you want things to change, if you want it to get better, if you want progress, just make a change. Yeah. Like turn the pictures upside down on your wall. I don't care. Like anything. Make a change. If you feel like you're stuck in a rut, you're stuck there. Just make a change. But then if you want that change to get sticky and stay around, put it in front of you. Put it in front of you. You want to remember to take your vitamins? Set them like where you can't, like I'm looking into our restroom right now that we're sitting in our bedroom and filming this with you. And the...
/ my office.
Well, correct. Yeah, it's just all one area. But in the restroom right now, I'm looking at it, and it's on the counter. I know I'm going to go there in the morning. I put hers in front of her. 75% of the time, she'll get there. And which makes me question, did you brush your teeth that day because you missed your vitamins? But, and regardless of the point, you put the vitamins right there, right in front of you, right with the keys you're going to go out the door with, right? If you're struggling taking them, what are you doing that you can set them next to, right? It's a small example of make your desired actions obvious. Yep. Make them obvious. You want to drink more water? Put water bottles everywhere. Fill them up, put them in. You got one in your desk, you got one in your car, you got one in your bag, you got one in the fridge, you got one in your desk at work, you got one everywhere.
Yeah.
Just fill water bottles up and you're like, well, it's not going to be an excuse of,
forgot
my water bottle today. It's a lot of work to walk and fill it up. They don't have a filter at work. They don't. Just put them everywhere. Yeah. And you'll have it there. Put it in front of you. Right? You can do this. That's how you make these things sticky. Want to work out first thing in the morning? Go to bed in your workout clothes. Literally sleep in them. Why not? Doesn't matter. Want to work out in the morning, go to bed in your workout clothes. You get up, you're like, oh, I already got these on. Might as well get after
Shoes
it.
and all.
You know? Set the workout, set it up. The 10-minute workout's going to come right to your phone if you're in the challenge with us. And you just hit play. Get it teed up. Get it ready. The Facebook group is pulled up in the morning on your phone. You roll over. You're going to go to the top of the group, and there it's going to be. And you just hit go. You've got to make this stuff obvious. That's how you make them. That's how you make them real sticky icky. All right? Make winning and progress obvious. Starts to bring the consistency. You start winning small. That's how you'll win big. So, what are you doing today to win? 1%ers. If I were to coin you that, you call yourself that oftentimes. What's the 1% today? What are you making obvious today? Put it in the comments below. Where are you going to focus on winning 1% today? The area you want to get 1% better. Drinking water. I'm going to bed in my workout clothes tonight, Dr. Living Good. I'm setting my supplements right by my toothbrush. I'm going to pre-make my lunch so then I don't make a bad choice when I get hungry at noon.
That's good.
Make it obvious. Make it right in front of you. 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. This is how you make systems, not goals. Takes preparation, takes making it obvious, takes getting it all around you until it becomes automatic. But it's going to take you 30 days. It's going to take you 60 days. It's going to take you 90 days to make that thing automatic. So you got to get it in front of you. Make those habits stick. If you find yourself right now in an unmotivational rut and you are just stuck, like, sounds good, Dr. Living Good, but I'm just struggling right now, I made this video for you of how to get out of an unmotivational rut. Check it out right here.